there, tech-savvy travelers! Welcome back to Triparya. Today, I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs on you. Hidden gems in the world of travel apps that you absolutely need to know about. These apps often fly under the radar, but trust me, they can save you some serious cash and make your trips a lot smoother. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Skiplagged. This app is like the secret weapon for finding hidden city ticket deals. What does that mean? Well, it exploits fare loopholes to offer you lower prices on flights. Imagine booking a flight where your destination is actually a layover point. Sounds sneaky, right? But it works. Plus, Skiplagged also offers competitive hotel deals, so you're covered on all fronts. Next on the list is Kiwi.com. This app takes flight booking to a whole new level with its virtual interlining feature. Basically, it combines flights from different airlines, even those that don't have partnerships, to get you the cheapest fares possible. Imagine piecing together the perfect budget-friendly itinerary with just a few taps. That's Kiwi.com for you. Now, let's talk about Momondo. Often overshadowed by big names like Skyscanner and Kayak, Momondo is actually a powerhouse when it comes to finding great flight deals. It searches hundreds of airlines and travel sites to bring you some of the best offers out there. The interface is super user-friendly, and it doesn't stop at flights. You can also find hotel and car rental options. It's a one-stop shop for all your travel needs. Moving on to Agoda. This app is more popular in Asia but is seriously underrated globally. It offers competitive rates on hotels, especially in Southeast Asia. If you're planning a last-minute trip, Agoda frequently has exclusive discounts that can save you a ton. It's definitely worth having on your radar. Last but not least, we have Travelpirates. This app is fantastic for finding flash sales and travel packages. It aggregates offers from various sources, giving you cheap deals on flights, hotels, and vacation packages. If you love spontaneity, Travelpirates is your go-to for snagging those last-minute, budget-friendly adventures. So there you have it. 5 underrated travel apps that can revolutionize the way you book your trips. Skiplagged, Kiwi.com, Momondo, Agoda, and Travelpirates are all about leveraging unique features and partnerships to offer you the best deals out there. Don't just stick to the giants like Expedia or Booking.com. Explore these hidden gems and watch your travel savings soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!